Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word strike through in depth. First, the definition. Strike through means a horizontal line through text indicating deletion or correction. Think of it simply as crossing out words you no longer want to keep. Sometimes it means the text is outdated or replaced. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Strikethrough traces back to typewriter editing practices in the 20th century. Over time, it's been used by writers and editors. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use strikethrough in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. She used strikethrough to show which items were removed from the list. Correct example 2. I applied strikethrough to the incorrect price on the invoice. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to strike through my coffee, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using strikethrough correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Strikethrough means a horizontal line through text, indicating deletion or correction. It comes from typewriter editing practices, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with strikethrough down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.